Welcome to an unboxing for the most recent launch of the Earth from Above coins from Downies. Here we have both a silver and a gold 1 ounce coin depicting an incredible and unique view usually reserved for those spacefaring few. As you can see, each coin comes packaged in a cool sci-fi mechanical-like box. The back of the box reads, "Showcasing planet Earth at night from space, this exquisite coin reveals an expansive insight to how humans have illuminated and shaped the planet in extraordinary and profound ways. Struck from 1 ounce of 99.9% pure silver, a fascinating perspective of our Earth is reflected and reveals the astounding activity of humankind." It comes set in this nice, sleek, ebony case with some protective lining to hold the coin in place. Or should I say, space. Oh, wow. Each coin comes with its own individually numbered certificate with a similar design to the box. If you like sci-fi, you're in for a treat. The certificate is filled with all the information you might wonder about the coin, including its purity, weight, quality, and more. Let's quickly go through those details. This is a $1 Niue legal tender coin dated 2022, sneaking in as one of the last coins of the year. It has a total mintage of 999, and this particular coin is number 480. The coin itself is made up of 99.9% silver, crafted into an impressive 1 ounce 38.6mm wide coin with an immaculate proof finish. But enough of the blueprints, let's get into the real deal. You can see the innovative lacquer minting technique on the helmet, giving it that incredibly glossy finish, much like real glass. You can see the reflection of the lights of Europe in the visor of the astronaut's spacesuit, as well as the emerging sunlight from our largest closest star, a view that would normally take years of training and study to see, now in the palm of your hands. An incredibly rare and privileged perspective on our planet Earth. And, dressed for success in their best suit, the astronaut themselves appears in an intricately designed spacesuit, which seems to be based off the real-life NASA spacesuits used for space and moon missions in the past. Beautifully detailed and impressively minted, this coin is far more than a constellation prize. And because variety is the space of life, we have the gold version as well. As with the silver, the gold coin comes with its own individually numbered certificate of authenticity, and with a low mintage of only 99, that individual number is all the more significant. This 1 ounce coin is minted on 99.99% pure gold, struck to a spectacular proof finish. As with the silver, the gold shows off the awesome lacquer technique on the visor. Unlike the silver, however, the gold flaunts a gorgeous, deep magenta colouring, giving the atmosphere of a twilit world floating beneath the astronaut. I hope I've been able to show off the incredible techniques and designs that were put into the creation of these incredible coins, resulting in an out-of-this-world product. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to stay up to date with all new releases.